you know, like inf equal to open this kind of file, read, etc. Shall I show it? It's like it was like inf open like file and it's like read. So for example, A1 like that.
Yes.
I used to write like
right.
and also write like inf dot close.
Yeah.
Like that.
Use that close. Yeah. Do you know why you need to close it?
After you have read it, you need to close. It's like function and you need to end it.
It's like yeah, you're right.
Closing the
file. So for example, when you are like opening it, like you just opened it, so stream is going, so your memory is allocating, right?
Yes.
So you don't need to just after using, you don't need to use that, like you don't need it anymore, so you just close because you will like avoid memory issues, like code will be more optimized. Is do you know how to write? It's like read and how to write it.
How to write?
Yes, how to write.
I mean, where to write?
Write txt file using Python.
Oh, txt file using Python?
Yes. You at this moment you just read, right? Using arrow. So
I think there was
yes.
function to kind of function called just write. And I can just write here like W.
Yes, instead of R you just write W. Instead of
like
R.
that.
Instead of R. Yes. Yes. So yeah, you got it. Do you know the difference between write and append? Both functions write. Okay. But there is a difference. So tell me the difference.
Well, when you append, you'll just append something new, but when you write, maybe you write, I mean, when you write, the other ones will be deleted, maybe?
So
like that.
Yeah, you're trying to like something programming, but the actual difference is like easy. It's just write when you just write when you use W, the Python will erase everything from the file content. Okay.
Yeah, I'm saying that.
Yeah. And append will not erase it. Yeah, just it.
Yes.
Yeah, you got it. So okay. So for example, you're just writing and closing, you might forget to close or it's not comfortable, right? Like not so comfortable. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah, so
I know something that don't require closing.
yes, so how?
Well, there's another way which is like, it's right here. It's like with it was open. As
Yeah, you got it. Yeah, relines.
Okay, like that. Yes.
Yeah, it's right. Yeah. So it's just this is called context manager. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So you don't need to close it anymore like this. This is like, yeah, easy thing. Okay. Um, do you want to go over pandas?
Okay.
Okay. In that case, let me stop recording.